Welcome to the D Las Vegas, one of the most energetic and modern hotels on the Fremont Street Experience. A property that blends Detroit attitude, downtown Vegas energy, and a whole lot of personality. The D opened in 2012, but the building itself has been part of Fremont Street for decades. Owner Derek Stevens, a Detroit native, transformed the property into a high-energy, modern casino while keeping touches of classic Vegas charm. The name The D is a triple nod to downtown Derek and Detroit, the Motor City spirit behind the brand. Inside, the casino floor is loud, fast, and built for fun. You'll find dancing dealers, upbeat music, and a crowd that keeps the place buzzing day and night. It's one of the most energetic gaming floors in all of downtown.
Long before crypto was mainstream, the D became the first casino in Las Vegas to accept Bitcoin, offering a Bitcoin ATM and allowing guests to use crypto for certain purchases.
And then there's Sigma Derby, the legendary mechanical horse racing game. Fans gather around it, cheering on tiny horses like it's a real racetrack. It's quirky, retro, and a beloved downtown tradition.
Up here on the second floor of the D, you'll find Bacon Nation, one of the most unique restaurants in downtown Las Vegas. They serve half-inch thick cuts of bacon over a dozen different flavors and even full meals where the bacon replaces the brand. The D is the second tallest building in downtown Las Vegas, which was only surpassed by the Circa. The two levels in the casino are designed to be two different eras of Vegas. The first floor is supposed to be modern slots, table games, and dancing dealers, and the second floor is more vintage Sigma Derby and an outdoor patio overlooking Fremont. This split design intentionally blends old Vegas and new Vegas. The D has been featured in multiple TV shows like Vegas Strip, Casino Confidential, and various other travel channel specials. It's one of the most frequently filmed downtown casinos because of its open layout and high energy atmosphere. To attract new players, the D offers free lessons in craps, blackjack, and roulette, which is to bring younger visitors into table games downtown. The property is home to permanent shows like Marriage Can Be Murder and Defending the Caveman, adding a theatrical side to the casino's offerings.
Just steps from the casino floor is American Coney Island, a Detroit classic brought straight to Fremont Street. It's famous for its chili dogs and late-night comfort food, a perfect quick bite between gaming sessions.
Right here on the first floor is the registration area at the D Las Vegas. This is where you'll check in, grab your room keys, and get set up with everything you need for your stay. Right next to the lobby, you'll find the coffee stand at the D, which is open early. Perfect if you're heading out for the day. And just a few steps away is the gift shop, which is your go-to spot for essentials, souvenirs, snacks, and anything you might have forgotten in the back. Whether you need a quick drink, a Fremont Street t-shirt, or something last minute for your room, this is the easiest place to grab it without leaving the property. One thing a lot of people don't know is that staying at the D also gives you complimentary general admission access to Stadium Swim at Circa, which is one of the biggest and most impressive pool complexes downtown. But if you want something a little bit quieter, the D has its own outdoor pool, a relaxed, low-key spot with a heated pool, hot tub, and plenty of loungers. It's simple, calm, and a nice break from the Fremont Street chaos.
The D's hotel rooms offer a clean, modern escape from the noise below. Bright, comfortable, and overlooking the Fremont Street Experience, they're a great balance of convenience and comfort. So let's head upstairs and take a quick look.
This is a tour of room 806 here at the D in Las Vegas, Nevada. Right as you come in, on your left is going to be your bathroom. You have your tissues, your sink. Underneath, you have your hairdryer and some towels. And then on the other side, you have your Elements shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, as well as the thing of bar soap. A very modern, large shower, and a full-size mirror over here on the door. Stepping into the main room, you do have your closet right next door to the bathroom, where you have your luggage rack, ironing board, as well as some hangers. Here you have the main room where you have your two full-size beds, as well as your nightstand in the middle. And on the right, you have your dresser, as well as your TV. Underneath, you do have your safe, as well as some pretty decent sized drawer space. This is the view from our room, so you can oversee the four queens, and you can see a little bit of the traffic at Fremont Street. Here is the air conditioning. You have your alarm clock, as well as your phone. And then you have some electrical outlets back there on the wall. And that's going to do it for our room tour here of room 806 here at the D in Las Vegas, Nevada.
The D Las Vegas is a celebration of Detroit pride, downtown revival, and high-energy Vegas fun. It's modern, loud, and unapologetically lively, a perfect fit for the Fremont Street Experience.
If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like and subscribe and let us know which historic Vegas property we should explore next.